Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Now in this video, 3 construction trucks from the brand Loyal Bride. Now I don't know whether this brand still exists or not. You can try this website. And I bought this quite a while ago. The box is starting to disintegrate, but the model is still good. And the box have this nice picture of a bulldozer as a poster background. Now the first truck is a tipper lorry. Let me move the camera. Yes, a tipper lorry. Now the cap is metal, everything else is plastic. But they do it quite in detail. You can see the I don't know what you call this, axle or shaft. And they have this thing here so you can prop this up like so for display. Very nice. This appears to look like a Mercedes, but I suppose they don't have the license, so there is no Mercedes logo. Now the next truck is a cement mixer, which is the same cap. Everything is the same except the part here. Instead of a tipper lorry, you get a cement mixer with a rotatable cylinder, and this thing here can swivel, and then the cement flows down. Now it says here architecture construction. Now the third car is a flatbed lorry, and this is a man truck. I don't know whether they have the license, but this is a man truck, flatbed, and you can park your car. Let me just get you can park your car like that. Very nice. And drive it away. So this is not a construction equipment, this is a transporter. I don't know why they put it here, but anyway, it's very nice. And it have this groove, so it holds the car. So there you go, 3 trucks. The scale, I think it is approximately 160, 164. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.